Do you often feel tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do simple activities, like climbing stairs, grocery shopping, or even playing with the grandkids, leave you feeling drained? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Constant fatigue is one of the most common complaints among seniors. But here's the important truth. Fatigue is not just a normal part of aging. In fact, there's often a hidden cause behind that low energy. And once you know what it is, you can actually fix it. Today, we're going to uncover what may be silently stealing your energy every single day. And I'll show you the simple food swaps and daily habits that can help you feel more awake, active, and alive again. First, let's talk about what fatigue really is. Feeling tired isn't just about needing more sleep. Fatigue is your body's way of saying something inside isn't getting the fuel or support it needs. For many seniors, the hidden cause is actually blood sugar imbalance. Now, don't worry. I'm not talking only about diabetes. Even without diabetes, when we eat certain foods, our blood sugar rises quickly and then crashes just as fast. This roller coaster leaves you feeling sluggish, foggy, and worn out. And here's the tricky part. Many of the foods that cause these energy crashes are the same ones we've been eating for years, without even realizing the damage. In fact, they're often marketed as healthy or quick breakfasts for seniors. But instead of fueling your body, they're silently draining your strength. So in this video, we'll go step by step. First, I'll reveal the common foods that are quietly damaging aging bodies and stealing your energy. Then, I'll show you exactly what to eat instead. Foods that stabilize your blood sugar, nourish your muscles, and give you steady energy all day long. This is not about going on a diet. It's about making small swaps that fit right into your daily life, so you can wake up feeling refreshed, stay active through the day, and enjoy the things you love again.